This beautiful backyard restaurant is running a massive scam.
Early June, in our North European Baltic region, these small, wild, white roses, Rosa spinosissima, are everywhere. Unfortunately, we cannot transmit the smell through the screen. Near the bush, the fragrance is incredibly sweet and yummy.
That is why there is always a massive amount of different guests visiting this backyard restaurant. Some of them come looking for the sweet nectar promised by this beautiful scent. But there is a twist. There is no nectar here, none at all. Instead, the restaurant serves something else, a massive, overwhelming bounty of pure golden pollen. For the insects, this golden dust is pure protein, an irresistible summer feast. Look at the Garden Chafers. Small, brown-winged beetles, barely a centimeter long. They arrive in swarms, crawling deep into the blossoms, aggressively chewing through the very fabric of the petals. Alongside them, the Rose Chafers, massive, emerald green giants shimmering in the sun like living jewelry. They don't just collect the pollen, they live inside the flowers, completely intoxicated by the abundance of the menu.
But the beetles must share this table with the true masters of flight. Hoverflies dart through the thorny canopy, hanging completely motionless in the air before dropping directly onto the gold centers. And then, the heavyweights arrive. Bumblebees land with absolute force, bending the delicate blossoms. Watch them in slow motion. Without nectar to lap up, the bees must manually scrape and pack the loose dust onto their legs. Their vibrations release clouds of microscopic life.
In a few short weeks, the white petals will drop. This fragrant restaurant will close, and the roses will begin to form dark, distinctive winter fruit. But right now, this backyard bush is an intense, microscopic metropolis, a world of pure survival, hidden in plain sight. Next time you pass a wild rose, take a moment to look closer.